Hi friends. Okay, so today we'll talk about how to make money online using Fiverr without making any gigs at all. So if you don't know about Fiverr, Fiverr is a service providing website. So there are two parties where a seller and buyer. So the seller can sell his service to the buyers who are looking for those services. Okay, so if you have skills, you can provide your skills as a service for those buyers and earn money using in Fiverr. And what I'm going to show you today is not that. So you don't need to make any gigs at all to you're not selling any services here. Okay, so what you're doing here is you are doing affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Again, affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where the business rewards each affiliate for each customers they bring in. Okay, so in Fiverr what we are going to do here is we are going to bring buyers into the Fiverr, and if they purchases, so you'll be getting a commission or from that. Okay, so in let's see in Fiverr what are the services the seller can provide. So these are the services in Fiverr the seller can provide, and you can see the graphic design. These are the categories which we can have in graphic and design, and these are digital marketing and video animation and so on. So there are so many hundreds of services where the seller can provide. So there are so many opportunities we have. You can bring buyers into this platform. Cool, right? So in this video I will take you through the Fiverr affiliate system and how it works, and the second thing is how to promote your affiliate links in social media like Facebook, right? So these are the two things we'll be going through here in this video. So let's dive into the video. So my friends, so now you are looking at my affiliate dashboard, my Fiverr affiliate dashboard. So here I have earned $250 as a commission here. So this whole 250 is to my bank account. Okay, so I have already taken $100 last month. So the balance is 150 as for now. Okay, so first of all we'll make an account first here. So how to make an account? So you can go to the Fiverr affiliates. So add a link to the Fiverr affiliates here in this video description. So you can go through that link and you'll be directed to the this page. So in this page this is the Fiverr affiliate homepage. So here you can join now. By clicking the join now button, you'll be directed to this page where you can just add your information and sign up to the Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so these are basic information that you need to provide here. As an account type, so in account type, just make it as a private account, as you are a personal, as this is a personal account. So and then you have to add your name, address and username. So you can add if any countries or wherever you are living. So even it's Nigeria or Pakistan or whatever the country, you can have your account here. So it's this affiliate system is for whole world. Okay, so you can just select your password and the country and the phone number. Okay, and you'll be then when you are adding this information and you go to the next, and there's no any other restriction, so you can just make a new account. So when you have an email address, so you'll be getting an activation email to your email address, and after you finish your activation you'll be directed to the affiliate dashboard. Okay, cool, right? So now we'll go through this dashboard and see how it works. So and this is the place, this is the dashboard, this is the home page that you will be directed in Fiverr affiliate. And in marketing tools, if you click this marketing tools, so in deep links, okay, so default and deep links in this, so you can see these links here. So these are the links you're going to share. Okay, so if you go through this Fiverr CPA, this is the description they have. So you'll be getting 15 to $150 for each new buyer you are taking into the platform. Okay, so it's all depends on the services the buyer uh, buys. Okay, so this is the link. If you you can just copy that link and share in whatever the platform, and if anyone click this link and come and buy some any services from this platform, you'll be getting the commission. Okay, so in Fiverr CPA, so if you click here, so you will be directed to a page where you will be shown how those values are given for each gigs. Okay, categories of the gigs. Okay, yeah, so I have chosen t-shirts and merchandise. Okay, let's see, we are going to promote this type of gig in somewhere. Okay, so in that, if that's the case, so we have, if we are promoting Fiverr Pro, we'll be getting $150, or as with these types, industrial and product design or data science, for those we'll be getting $50, and these categories will be getting 40, and these categories will be having 30. So see, these t-shirts and merchandise, if you are promoting that that gig, so we'll be getting $30 for each buyer who buys a service from this gig from Fiverr, right? Okay, so that's how the things works. So there are some other categories where we get commission of 25, and the remaining category will be go into the $15 part, right? Okay, so this is how the Fiverr CPA commission works. And okay, so with those understanding, now we'll promote these t-shirts and merchandise, this page, to a potential buyer somewhere in social media. Okay, so I want to direct those potential buyers to this page. So if that's the case, and if someone use that link and buy one of these gig here, so I'll be getting a commission of $30. Okay, for the each first a first purchase only. Okay, so I'll take, so this is the link, is this link is to the home page of the Fiverr platform, Fiverr website. Okay, so if I need to go directly to this page, which is a t-shirts and merchandise, this page, I have to take the copy of this URL of this page and clicking on this LP URL and paste it there. So in that case, yeah, so take that. Okay, right, with that you'll be getting a deep link. So this is called as a deep link. So you'll be getting a deep link to that particular website page. Okay, so there, I'm going to show you how to make a, this is a example. So I have chosen this group, t-shirt design and print group, and I'll be posting a post like so. This is an example, so you can choose whatever you want. So you may have some specific method maybe, so to promote your links in as an affiliate marketer maybe. So okay, anyone need t-shirt design for your t-shirt printing business? Find cheap designs here. Okay, and now we'll copy that link and paste it here. So okay, I think that would be good to go. This is a basic example. You can like modify it in whatever method you want, and so just that all. So you can post it. There's nothing wrong with this link, so you can just post this. Let's say it's find designs for cheap price here. Okay, with that we can post this. So when you click this link, you'll be directed to this page, and here the buyer can sign up to the Fiverr, and when he start to buy, to make purchase, you'll be getting the commission. Cool, right? So this is how you're going to earn in Fiverr affiliate. So this is how I earn this $250 in this dashboard. So within last 2 months. Okay, so that's a great passive income way of making money online. Okay, so I think this video is very helpful, and you'll be taking advantages of this method, and you in future you'll also earning like this. Okay. So if you like this video, don't forget to like the video. And also, I have seen so many people watching my videos without subscribing, so please subscribe my channel, and that would be great help, and for to make more videos like this in future. So let's meet in a new video, and bye for now.